so we got the Grom on the lift. We got the new exhaust kind of mocked up, hadn't put the springs on yet. Gonna throw on some gloves to do that. So we're gonna take off the factory one for now. You got this bolt with a nut on the back, and you have the two coming from the head. And you have one there and one on the other side on the kickstand here. So we're gonna pop those out. I think they're all 12 millimeter. So we'll do that, and then we will put the springs on. So I cannot imagine that this thing is going to lose any power from this thing. This has to be close to 20 pounds. It's got leaves and sticks jammed up in there. Just a turd. So we're gonna upgrade this. Gonna put my gloves on now. I'm pretty sure I've already touched it without gloves on at least once. So we'll wipe it down again before we fire it up. Get all the fingerprints and holes off. So we're gonna put those springs on now. Alright, so springs are on. Got this on, little rubber boots around the hanger here. So we're gonna mount this thing up now. So one thing I did notice, I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera or not, but there's a bunch of dirt and grit that got in those threads, so we're gonna wipe them out a little bit with a wire brush or something.